Every nation is the whole universe. August 9th is the International Day of the world's indigenous peoples. The world is colorful. There are about 476 million indigenous peoples living in 70 countries. All of them are bearers of a unique history, language, and traditions. A large part of them is on the verge of extinction, and this cannot be allowed to happen. That is why in 1994, the UN General Assembly decided to celebrate the International Day of the World's Indigenous Peoples on August 9th every year. For Ukraine, this is also a great celebration and responsibility. After all, there are three distinctive indigenous peoples that have formed in Crimea: Crimean Tatars, Karaites, and Krimchuks. All of them have an ancient, heroic, and at the same time tragic history. Currently, about 300,000 Crimean Tatars, 1,200 Karaites, and 400 Krimchuks live in Ukraine. On July 23, 2021, the law on the indigenous peoples of Ukraine entered into force, which legally established the status of these peoples. It has provided protection guarantees and regulated relations with the state. Since the beginning of the Russian occupation of Crimea in 2014 and the full-scale invasion on February 24, 2022, all indigenous peoples of Ukraine, together with Ukrainians, are in a constant struggle to preserve their identity. We stand for our history, for our country, for our language and faith, and we are sure that we will get justice. Let's protect the indigenous peoples of Ukraine. Let's save Ukraine.